Hi friends, my name is Nikhil and I am currently working on a project to replace drone pilots with AI. In brief, you can schedule tasks for multiple drones with easy simple prompt using a AI buddy companion.
Here I show you the demo. You enter the prompt and the AI schedules and executes the task. You can control the drone in desired location and speed. Even do multiple tasks where we can schedule earlier. I'm still working on mapping property, pathfinding, image recognition, and swarm management.
It works seamlessly in the simulation and I am really excited to test with the real drones. I am also planning to deploy the simulation as a website for you guys to access. Next, I plan to test the AI with the real drones and gather real-world data to refine the system further.
This project has endless possibilities integrating drones into industries like defense, logistics, and agriculture, etc.
Put my simulation on my website, so stay tuned for my updates.